Okay, if you are ready, we can start our today's session. This is our first session, so before starting the course, I want to talk about the course in this semester, the software architecture course, and I'm going to tell you an introduction about how we're going to take this course in this semester. In this semester, we're going to have a midterm exam and a final exam. Both the midterm exam and the final exam have 8 points. 8 points for midterm exam and 8 points for the final exam. And you need to do a research about the software architecture. We will talk about the subjects. I will suggest some subjects and you can choose from them. It's very important to participate in the online classes, and also it's very important to take the midterm exam. Please don't forget to take the midterm exam. And also this is my email address. If you have any question about the course, you can email me with this address. The reference of our course is this book, The Software Architecture in Practice, the 3rd edition, written by Len Bass, Paul Clements, and Rick Cosman. And also we have a Persian book about the software architecture written by Dr. Shams. And if you know Farsi, you can read this book. Both of these books are similar. They cover the concepts that we are going to talk about in our course, so it's okay to read each one of them. Do you have my voice? Mr. Al-Hamdawi, do you have my voice? If you hear my voice, please send a plus sign. If you can hear my voice, please send a plus sign. Thank you, Mr. Qasim. Other students, if you can hear my voice, please. Thank you very much. Thank you, Mr. Haidar. Thank you very much. Okay, so this is an introduction about our course, the reference. I will upload both of these books in the Darsa website. I will upload the English book and also I will upload the Farsi book. Both of them, I will upload them in Darsa website so you can easily read them. And also you can read the slides that I will teach in the semester throughout the course. The slides are also in English and are from this course, this book. So if you want to read the book, you can first check out the slides. Okay, if you have any question, please ask your question and then I can start the first chapter of our course. If you have any question, please ask your question. about some concepts in the software architecture domain, some of the most popular concepts. In this chapter, we will talk about what software architecture is and what it isn't. Then we will talk about the architectural structures and views for representing those structures. Then we will introduce architectural patterns and we will discuss what makes a good architecture. So the first subject is what is software architecture. We have different definitions for software architecture in literatures, in the books, and in software standards. The main definition that we will use in this course is that the software architecture of a system is the set of structures needed to reason about the system, which comprise software elements, relations among those elements, and properties of both the elements and the relations. So if you look at this definition, you can see that we have structures, a set of structures, elements, relations between elements, and properties of those elements and their relations. This is the main definition that we have for software architecture in this course. We have also other definitions for software architecture. Some of them talk about the system's early decisions or major decisions, especially the design decisions. So they define the architecture as early or major design decisions. There are some points about that many architectural decisions are made early, but not all of them. So we may have architectural decisions that are not early, and also there are that are made early but are not. Or the next point is that it's hard to look at a decision and whether or not it's major. We cannot distinguish the major based on a clear definition.